Guys, what we're talking about is a Fantikk S100 Apex air inflator, and we have a maximum inflation PSI of 150. This is a tire inflator. As you can see, it's on the portable side, which is nice, and that's what the box look like. All right, what we should be expecting in this box is the unit itself, USB cable, the air inflator, which is that tube that connects to the unit. We have a needle valve, user manual, accessory bag, and a Schrader valve, especially in some of them bicycle applications. All right, as we can see here, that's the weight, that's some of the specs on it. USB-C connection. All right, and the tire range or air pressure range is like I said before, 150 psi. All right, so we're gonna open this box, see what it has inside, and try to inflate one of these tires with it and tell you my thoughts on it. All right, again, this is not sponsored. Found this at Costco. All right, according to the advertisement, you can do car tires, motorcycle, bicycles, of course, balls, and what is that? You can put in manual mode. There's a manual mode and an automatic mode, I'm guessing. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Fantikk, fantastic. This is a Fantikk. We're doing an unboxing and a real life test. Capture what's going on. So you're gonna get the unit itself. There it is. Alright. So just like the bag, just like the package show you, comes with a carrying bag, comes with the hose. We have some tips here. This is for charging. This for like pumping up a ball or something. Good. Put it in there. Get off the back. Screw that in. But guys, I don't think we're gonna get that lucky. I think he really has a flat, not just a low tire. Charging ports. And let's get this turned on. Oh, right here. There's the directions here. I wish they would have made this more, in a different color so it stands out more. But right there seemed to be the power button. Right there. Right. I believe you can program the PSIs. But let's see. Look at the standard scroll there. You can plus up for the PSI or down. It's for the flashlight. Thinking this probably starts it.
it's a car. See different fonts.
There it is.
So guys, it's not gonna work because we have a real flat going on. So
True flat.
true flat. So still running.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the fonts I was talking about. That's for the car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, back to car. All right. So we're gonna get it all jacked up and put on the spare wheel, and we should be good to go. But this is not gonna work because we have a large flat, or we have a true flat. True flat. All right, guys. Maybe trying to get it on camera. Okay, so second time is the charm, guys. We got the spare on. Good for either side. Probably too much. You can knock it down. Counter. Is this the part that gets fast forwarded? No, let me do it. I'll cut it out. It's a powerful little machine here, guys. Putting for the charging USB Type-C, another USB. We have 32, so we're just going to cap it there because we don't have spare. We don't want to overwork it. That's it, guys. It seems like the Fantikk is fantastic. One key out.